Hi everyone, good evening. Quick Uber video. This is a question I've actually got for you. I'm Driver Joe, as you know. It says it up there somewhere. But anyway, to the point, please subscribe if you're not already. Give us a thumbs up if you like the videos. So this is a video I would like to make after reading a message from another driver over suspension from Uber. Right, has anybody ever been suspended from Uber? I can imagine the answer to this question is yes. I've never been suspended, but it happens quite a lot. And I was just wondering if you got any sort of compensation from Uber for that suspension, or even further, did you go that step further and actually contact a solicitor? Maybe go to small claims court for loss of earnings. I don't know. It's very good information to know, because a lot of people do get suspended for stupid stuff where the customers basically lie and say the driver was driving dangerously, the driver smelled like alcohol or weed, or seemed under the influence, and you are knocked out. It could be as little as 24 hours. It could be even longer. I did read about a gentleman might have been last year actually, and he was suspended for over a month. Have any of you actually been kicked off Uber and took them to small claims court, or court, and won, contacted a solicitor and got paid out? Something I'm curious on now, because it's a funny one the way I look at it. As a company, you've got to bear in mind we're not contractors of sorts. We use their services, and they can take their services away from us with no explanation. So could that have an effect on suing them or taking them to court? It's all answers I would like to know to these questions. Like I said, I'm fortunate enough that I've never actually been in that situation, but like I said, a lot of people have. It's something I read on a regular basis on the Facebook groups. I'm on many. I'm on Liverpool, Manchester, London, Florida, California, you name it. I like to know about what I do. I like that information. It doesn't matter what country. The more you know, the more educated you are and stuff like this, the easier it becomes. That's the way I look at it. But anyway, thank you for watching. Like I said, please comment the comments below. I really would like to know this information. Have a safe day. Take care of yourself. Do you know what? I'm going to ask a question before I go. What's everyone's opinion on Uber upping the rate due to the sharp increase of diesel and petrol? Let me know. Right, thank you very much. Oh, that's very messy. Right, thanks for letting me know. I shall speak to you soon. Take care. Bye.